Hey, could I have a Earl Grey medium no sugar, please?
I am really sorry, sir. I cannot serve you. You do not have a face mask or face covering.
Nah, nah. Come on, bro. Come on. Nah. You don't need to do that. I mean, come on. There's no one in the shop. Come on, don't be like that. Don't be like that.
Are you aware of the new guidelines about face coverings?
I know, I get it. I get it. It's the new law and stuff, but I'm taking it to go. I'm not gonna be staying in the shop. There's no one in the shop. You get me? Just help me out.
Sir, do you know one of those people that follow every single rule? Well, I'm one of
Are you
them.
seriously gonna be like that, though? Are you honestly gonna be like that? Honestly, are you really gonna be like that?
Yes, I'm really gonna be like this.
Okay, so the new law says that face covering or mask, right? Face covering or mask. Okay, cool. 1 second, I'll be back. I'll be back in a second. 1 second. Yeah, hey, bro. Yeah, yeah. Can I have the Earl Grey now, please? Yeah.
Ew, did you just take off your vest and use it as a face covering? The sweat follicles from your body is gonna be all over your nose and spreading back your. Oh,
Bro,
just.
stop that, bro.
Oh.
Stop that. Stop that. Stop that. Stop that. Stop that. No, I'm not having that. Listen, I didn't want to go to this level and tell you this, but my uncle actually owns a shop.
Does he now?
You see this shop, Johnson's Cafes, that you work in? My uncle owns it. I'm Rico Johnson. I'm his nephew. I come here all the time. I didn't want to bring that. I didn't want to drop the family card on you, but that's the truth. I'm. You know what I mean? I don't know what you're doing, mate. What are you talking about?
I do not care, even if your uncle is Boris Johnson.
No,
You are
don't be
not
shouting.
above
Don't
the
be shouting like
law.
that. No, you don't need to be shouting. Don't be shouting like me, bro. Don't be shouting like that.
Sorry for raising my voice, but I'm just simply stating facts. Just because your uncle owns this shop doesn't
Nah,
mean you
nah,
get
nah, nah,
special
nah, nah,
treatment.
nah.
I will not, I cannot, and I shan't not do it.
Now, bro, do you actually realize that I can get your job taken off you, bro? Do you actually realize that? I told you my uncle owns this shop, bro. I'm one call away from getting you've lost your job, bro. What are you talking about?
I am one of the most valuable employees that this company has ever seen. You
Joker.
can never
All right,
make
we'll
me
see.
lose
We'll
my
see.
job.
We'll see.
Never.
We'll see. We'll see.
Tell you what, go and get your face covering and come back and I'll serve you a beautiful cup of Earl Grey cup of tea.